Hello! Well guys, in this video I will explain my recipe. Let's start it. Well guys, the ingredients is 3 eggs, ham, it depends of the amount of sauce, 1 small pot of olives, 80 grams of ketchup, 80 grams of mayonnaise, 1 orange, 1 lemon, 1 pot of tuna, and walnuts. First of all, make the sauce and mix the ketchup with the mayonnaise and orange and lemon. Okay, then cut the olives. With the tuna, with the walnut. Hello! Mix, add to the sauce. Now cook the eggs. And cut the eggs. Add to the sauce and mix. Next is add a small slice of ham. And mix. Finally, put a little bit of sauce in different slices of ham and roll them up. Finish. Bye bye. When guys, this is the finish of the video. Please subscribe it. Try eat this recipe, it's very good. And ciao bye ciao.